Small fixes can create big workflow wins. In this Visp update, we're looking at smoother payment handling, cleaner package automation rules, improved address behavior, and a refreshed IRM location drawer across more cards. These updates are all about reducing friction, preventing errors, and helping your ISP team move faster with confidence. Let's start with a visual and usability improvement. The revamped IRM location drawer has now been applied to additional areas in Visp, including the site equipment card, the access point information attachment card, and the activity card. This means teams working with locations, equipment, access points, and activity records can expect a more consistent experience across the platform. Next, there's a helpful update to the Receive Payment pop-up. After a payment is successfully submitted, the payment form now resets automatically and focus returns to the search field. That means if you're processing multiple payments back to back, you no longer have to manually clear the form or click back into the search field. Now let's look at package automation. Visp has added safeguards to the Save button and Package Auto Actions. The Save button is no longer clickable in two situations. First, when Auto Reactivate is enabled without Auto Hibernate. And second, when the Auto Actions box is checked but no actions have actually been selected. This helps prevent incomplete or conflicting automation setups from being saved accidentally. There's also a billing-related fix for recurring items. The recurring item start date is now saved and calculated correctly based on the previous item's end term date. This is especially important for accurate billing cycles, service terms, and recurring charges. Next, several updates improve how addresses work and package associated location. First, when the international address option is enabled, the following fields are no longer required: city, state, or province, and zip or postal code. This gives teams more flexibility when working with international locations where address formats may vary. Second, the state field now populates correctly when selected from an address suggestion. And third, postal code validation has been corrected for ISPs in the Dominican Republic. Together, these fixes make address entry more accurate, less frustrating, and better suited for providers working across different regions. Another important fix affects tag-along items during service reactivation. Previously, tag-along items that had been intentionally deleted could be restored after a service was reactivated. That behavior has now been corrected. If a tag-along item was intentionally removed, Visp will now respect that decision and will not bring it back after reactivation. There's also a visual improvement for quote and payment PDFS. Header text color now adjusts more effectively based on the background color. This means better contrast, improved readability, and a more polished appearance for customer-facing documents. Finally, Visp now prevents duplicate late fee queue entries when an entry already exists for the same invoice and charge date. This helps protect billing accuracy and reduces the chance of duplicate late fee processing. Each of these improvements helps make daily ISP operations smoother, more accurate, and easier to manage inside Visp. For more updates, keep an eye on Visp release notes and make sure your team is taking advantage of the latest improvements built to support smarter ISP management.